Okay, maiden flight of the F-18.
Throttle disabled. Throttle active. Middle rates. High rates.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh, that worked though. That's okay.
Get some more speed in it.
Yeah.
More speed.
All right, let me see how this is. I feel like there's a right roll to it. I'm gonna have to.
I think with me holding the back, when I let go of the front, it kind of pushed it down a bit.
Yeah, it has a right roll. Ha! Definitely a right roll to it. Let me get that roll.
Put some trim in if you're opposite.
I think I got. Yeah.
Seems okay now that she's up to speed.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust it.
It's hard to find a location to hold it. You can't wing launch it because it's got torpedoes on the end of the wing.
Beautiful.
Steady now, Frank.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, I did. There was a right roll going. I got that trimmed out. I think it's pretty good now. Beautiful.
It's very stable. Good candidate for a bungee launcher.
Haha.
Yeah, that would be a good idea.
A little hook up nose.
The only problem with bungees is I've seen so many videos online. Failures.
Oh yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, you commit when you step on that little release. You're committed. Yeah, good, bad, or otherwise.
Oh yeah, this is a smooth flyer, man. I like this. This is a cool one. But I have to remember this doesn't have rudder. Yeah.
Do any of these have rudder?
Yeah. But like not these little, like the smaller ones. The other ones are all, they got everything. The flaps, the gears.
I can't imagine they use much rudder in real life though. Maybe for taking them off and landing. I don't know, do they do them?
There's so much of it. Computer flight controllers just twitching everything a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, I like this one, man.
Can't imagine what it must be like to be handed one of those for the first time, for your first solo flight.
Yeah. Here's $10 billion. Don't screw it up.
And glides, no problem. Just glides right through the air.
Fairly light, that probably helps.
Yeah.
It's not a huge wing area, but it's light.
Yeah, I'm liking this one, man.
Timer 1 elapsed.
Oh, it's time to land. Just turn around to go land. Whoop.
Middle rates. Low rates.
Huh?
Throttle disabled.
Damn, port. It's a good one. It was just floating right on down, though. I say it was glides good. have a look here. A little trim of the aileron. It should be good after this maiden flight. Everything's good.